Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this device. First of all, go into settings. Then scroll all the way down and choose accessibility features. Now you need to click on senior mode and tap on saucer mask click and tap on this switcher in order to activate it. Then adjust all of its settings and tap on home button. As you can see, after that easy mode is on. But you can always turn it off by going into exactly the same settings and clicking on the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!